Just Kipembe, Buru. I'm the Secretary General of National Ordinary People's Empowerment Union. In short, it's NOPEU, a political party that has so many candidates in Tigania East and all over the country. And I've got allegations that I've read on social media by one Mheshimiwa Kabeabea. He has alleged that number one, I kidnapped his employees, that is his PA, his driver, and one of the officers in his office, people that I've never met. And the other allegation is he has alleged that I was part of the goons who burnt his car last night. Something that I read also on social media that I don't know anything about. I don't even know the registration of his cars. I don't know his cars anyway. And I'm here to say that if he has anything to report, he should not post it on Facebook. Facebook is not a police station. He should go to the police station and report if he has anything against me. He's used to such cinema, and we have had so many other incidences. The guy that Kabeabea is saying I kidnapped today in the afternoon is this guy. This guy, his name is William Ruto. William Ruto is the private secretary, or rather a PA, personal assistant to Mheshimiwa Kabeabea. This guy, this picture was taken on 8th of August, 5 years ago. And this is what costed Mheshimiwa Mpuru Aburi his seat. And they said that I killed this guy. But he's the current PA. So people are used to such cinema from Mheshimiwa Kabeabea. The fortunate thing is people know. And we were expecting, even now, because we have like 36 hours to the elections, we are expecting even worse than kidnapping, we are expecting worse than touching cars. And we are trying to urge our supporters and his supporters to be especially his supporters, because next thing, these two incidents, kidnapping and touching his car, both have failed terribly. I don't know why you would really accuse me. I think he's losing it. You know, he's losing it. He's not himself. He has not been campaigning. These are the last kicks of a dying horse. He has not been campaigning for the last 3 months. We have not seen him on the ground. So he's trying to see who he can go down with. He's trying to see if IBC can... I'm not a candidate. I'm a Secretary General of a party that has a candidate in Tigania East. So I've been very active in that particular area, campaigning for the candidate for the last 3 months. And he feels the pressure from the candidate. I am sure that is why he's aligning my name to such incidences. There is no Facebook. Facebook is not a police station. Let him, first of all, I'm not a complainant. I have nothing against him. Let him go and report to the police station. Then once I'm called, I will write a statement and say where I was. I don't have time to follow Kabeabea. He's a dying horse. I have no time to follow him. I forgive him. By the name of God. I forgive him. I know he's going home. Let him go home. He can come. We do other businesses in Nairobi. But I forgive him. I'm not going to go file a case against him.